If you're someone who loves to play games, then you must need one application, that is Steam. So on Linux, Steam is like a blessing for gamers because you can play thousands of titles without any hassle on Linux distributions. So this is the official website for Steam, and you get bunch of titles that you can install very easily in the Steam. So this is Ubuntu, and I'm going to demonstrate how to install Steam, the latest Steam on Ubuntu, but you are free to use this guide to install the Steam on any Linux distribution. I will be providing a link in the description, an article to the linuxstudio.com, and from there you can get the different files for the different distribution. For example, if you're using Fedora, then you can download the .rpm file and you can install that into the system and use the Steam. But this is Ubuntu, so you can easily go to the official website, click on install Steam, and again click on install Steam, and this will download a deb file, and you need to install this deb file basically. So it's an installer, I think, and through this installer we will be installing the Steam in the system. So here's the downloaded file. You can double click on it. This will open up in the software center, but I'm going to use the terminal to install this .deb file. So just ls into the folder, and I have to find this Steam here. So this is the Steam file, and I can simply type here sudo debian package -i and the application package file name, that is Steam. Hit the tab key to autocomplete the file name, type in the password, and this should install the Steam launcher into the system. Now you can simply type Steam here, and this should start the Steam. So this is basically doing its stuff that is necessary to install the Steam in the system. So let's wait for it and see what happens here. So this has to download data in order to install the Steam into the system. So let's wait for it so that downloading can be completed. So the installation has been completed. Now you can simply create an account or log into your existing account. So I'm just going to log into my account. So here is the Steam up and running in Ubuntu, and if you need any help, then do let me know in the comment section below. I will be happy to assist you. And if you are using any different distribution other than Ubuntu or any of its derivatives, then you can check out the link provided in the descriptions. It will take you to the linuxstudio.com. There you will find an article, and in that article you will get the guide for all the distributions. So that's it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep enjoying Linux, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.